What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on ADA because once again we are forming here pretty interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. If you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. The main setup that I'm currently watching here is this falling wedge, and if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that this can be a decent opportunity to open here a long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So as I said, entry will be above this resistance of this falling wedge. Stop loss you can put somewhere back to this falling wedge. This will really depend on the risk reward ratio that you want to have, but because we are on the 1 hour chart, this will be more likely a scalp trade. So let's say choose the stop loss around like 1.5 1.3%, something like that, and as your last take profit targets, you can use this bearish order block, which is between levels 0.770 and 0.763. So in this case, you are having here risk reward ratio 12.47 if you will choose that like 1.5% stop loss, or if you want, you can place the last take profit target above this order block, because if we will test this area, then there is pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above. But in my opinion, it's like not making that big of a difference because this is like move around like 1.1%. So me personally, because this is like such an important resistance area and this order block is not that big, I will probably place it just under this resistance. Also, definitely in this case, it's really important to take multiple take profit targets because we are having here such a small stop loss. So once we will hit, for example, the first take profit, which can be, for example, under this previous high, then you can move your stop loss to entry or to at least break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. Then definitely some of the profits I would take under this current week high, and then, for example, under this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 12.4, the risk reward ratio can be around like 9 and 9.5, which is in my opinion still really good. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this potential scalp trading setup. Before this video continues, I just want to share with you my actual stats from my trading account, because nowadays there are a lot of people who are doing this trading educational content, but those people are usually not profitable traders, and I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. So right now you can see my actual stats from my copy trading account. You can see how many trades I taken, what's my win rate, what's my ROI, etc. And if you, for example, want to learn how to trade, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can simply DM me on my Discord and we will definitely figure something out. And also I want to add that you can verify this data publicly, because this is my copy trading account on a Bluffin exchange, and you can simply find my trading account there, and yeah, you can verify this data. Another potential long opportunity that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of a testing of this bullish order block, which is between level 0.6122 and 0.5991. And the reason why I want, let's say, open a long position here is that if we will gonna, let's say, test this area, then most certainly we will have here like two supports, because the market will be doing, for example, like this, and so we will be, let's say, testing support of this falling wedge and also this bullish order block. So we will have like two interesting support areas under us, and also if we will test this area, then we will swipe the liquidity under all of these important lows, so there will be some stop loss realizations. So the exact trade from this order block can then look like, for example, like this. So stop loss you can place just under this order block, so the potential stop loss will be around 2.5%, so it's, let's say, safer than the previous long trade, and the last take profit target can remain the same as in the previous setup. So right now we are, let's say, looking for risk reward ratio almost 10, which is in my opinion still really good. And even if you will take multiple take profit targets, then the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, still around 7.5, which is in my opinion really good. So yeah, that's another potential trading setup that you can take on the 1 hour chart. And in case of a let's say bigger drop, because the drop needs to be around like 12%, which is quite a lot on the 1 hour chart, I'm also watching here this bullish order block between level 0.576 and 0.569, because yeah, this is another important support. But with this lower bullish order block, I first of all want to see here breakdown, fake out, and then again support confirmation, because you can see that on the 1 hour chart we have here like this important low, this important low, this important low, this important, this, and this important low. So there are a lot of stop losses. Like a lot of traders who are opening a long position somewhere around here, they're probably opened their stop losses or like put their stop losses just under its previous lows. So if the market will do, for example, something like this, and we will swipe the liquidity, and there will be, let's say, pullback up again and then support confirmation, then I think that this can be right now on the 1 hour chart the best possible opportunity to open here a long position. Again, the exact trade, the strategy is quite similar, but in this case you need to put the stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out. So if the market will do, let's say, for example, something like this, then pull back up and then support confirmation, then stop loss you are simply putting under that low that we created during the fake out. And the last take profit target, again, it can remain the same. And in this last trading setup, of course, it will depend how the big fake out will be. Of course, it can be much smaller, it can be bigger, but if that breakout will be, let's say, really big, and we will let's say do here, for example, something like this, then simply this setup is no longer valid, because then the risk reward ratio is not gonna be that good. But let's say the stop loss will be again like 2.5%, and then the potential risk reward ratio, if we will again take the last take profit target in this bearish order block, is 12.56, which is really good. And in this case I'm just adding one take profit target, and that will be, let's say, take some of the profits under this previous bullish order block, because once there is a breakdown and then resistance confirmation, this will be an important resistance area. And if we take a look on this coin from a higher time perspective, you can see that in the long time we are here in the heavy uptrend. So that's the only reason why I am right now only watching here like potential long trading scenarios. And for example, on the 12-hour chart, if there will be, let's say, a bigger drop and we will test this this bullish order block, but the drop needs to be around like 25-26% of the net market move, then another potential interesting long opportunity will be in this bullish order block between level 0.482 and 0.465. So yeah, that's another area that you can watch. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you, for example, want to copy my exact trade, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.